everyone, Service Mike from Royal Truck and Trailer. We're at our Gaylord location today talking about the logging industry. And we have this beautiful walking floor trailer here. Smoke, what did we do to this trailer?
So we installed this brand new Keith walking floor for them. Removed the entire aluminum pan all the way to the front, 48 foot of aluminum. Had to cut out all the cross members. Installed a brand new Keith walking floor power unit.
So thanks for showing us this beautiful walking floor trailer. I know how intricate these trailers are to the logging industry, how much safer it is to walk a load off rather than tip a trailer up or take the chance on raising a dump body. Beautiful job, beautiful trailer. Thanks for joining us, everybody.